Good morning, Sean and Heidi with Hikebytes. How are you? We're down in Santa Paula near Ojai, and we're gonna hit up Punch Bowls today. Yep. We're gonna look at the waterfalls and their natural pools. We're gonna do boulder diving. We're gonna go down the Waterslide, at least I will. Are you gonna do it?
I don't know.
I doubt it, but we'll see. She'll film. So we're here with our friend Richard. He's gonna join us. You may see him in some of the footage as well. And he's gone on several hikes with us. We met him at the gym. So if you see Richard, he's coming along.
That's who it is.
All right, come explore this nature with us.
One bite at a time.
One bite. Careful, honey. So this is the next crossing. We've done one and we're already on our second crossing. The first thing I'm noticing from the last time I've been here is that all the trees are gone and a lot of the shade. I'm hoping we get some shade along the way further up the trail. Okay, we've come to this crossing where you have to decide, are you keeping your shoes dry? I guess Richard's going for dry. Or are you gonna get wet and just say, hey, heck with it? Heidi, what are you gonna do? I guess she's going dry. What is it? We found another bug. Let's see real quick. Oh, those are a trip. What the heck are those things? Wow. Creepy. So after that third crossing, they want you to walk along the creek until you see this sign, and then you come up into the vegetation again, into the trees. So this upper trail into the mountains takes you to a campground. So if you're planning on staying at the Punch Bowls longer than a day trip, this could work out really well for you. You got fire pits, you got a place to cook. You could set up your tent here, right over here on the right. And then you got another camp on your left, right under that nice big tree. So this is the third campsite if you want to stay here at night. And as you come up from the edge, you can actually see the first fall. And we're gonna actually hike right around that. There it is. So as you're coming down the mountain, you're descending, you have a choice to go left here, and that'll take you to First Falls. Or you can continue straight where Heidi's going, and there's all kinds of natural pools to go soak in, swim in, and it will take you above the creek to the slide. And there's the first fall. we're making our way up from First Falls up this dicey climb. And as we go up there, we'll end up on the ridge and head to the Waterslide. So here's the next pool, right after the First Falls. There's no longer a rope there. There used to be a rope that you could get down on actually that side, and you could get back up and you could boulder jump, but there's no rope, so we can't do it today. So we're gonna head to the slide. See you there. So we found this pristine swimming hole about 1/8 of a mile up from the first fall and past that deep punch bowl. So heads up, when you're trying to get to the waterfall, the water slide, the trail is washed out, there's nothing but boulders, but there are arrows and there are diamonds. So just look for them, and you're gonna do some boulder scrambling, but not too bad. Here comes the Hikebytes crew. Okay, we got a really big tarantula here. He's a big boy. He is cool. Richard just told me this is super easy, but I think that was tongue-in-cheek. It's actually a really hard hike. This is the view. Oh yeah. Thank you, Richard. So we're making our way to the water slide through the creek. Yep. There might be an easier way. Very deep over here. Okay, it looks like we're going up here on the side. All right. All right, I don't know how much longer I can film. Is it slippery? No, it's not. All right, be careful. It might get slippery. Okay. From here, just around this corner is the pool and the slide. concludes another adventure with Hikebytes. Sean and Heidi signing off from Punch Bowls, Santa Paula. And remember, explore nature with us. One bite at a time.
And go get some Thai food after a long hike. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh yeah.